Okay, so if you out here trying to sell Canva templates in 2026, we need to have a serious conversation because the game has changed. A lot of people are still showing up online trying to sell Canva templates like it's 2022 and wonder why things ain't moving for them. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what's happening, what's dead, what's dying, and what's actually selling right now and beyond for 2026. If you don't know who I am, welcome. My name is D. Willis. I'm a digital product creator and AI strategist. And what I do is I actually help other creators like yourself build out digital product businesses using AI. Let's talk about the elephant in the room first, okay? It was a time Canva was the business, okay? That's no lie that nobody can deny. I had a whole Etsy shop, Design Diva, dedicated to Canva templates. They were the thing back in 2022, but everybody was on it. Everybody was on the Canva templates. Etsy was full of them. Gumroad was full of them. Pinterest was promoting them like they were going out of style. Everybody was on these Canva templates back then, but things have changed last year. In the last year and a half, I want to say, I've been watching these internet streets and the shift has been coming. I've been talking behind the scenes to my community about these changes that I seen coming because I was switching the community, switching over to AI. Like, come on, we need to get over here. We need to bring this over here. Come on, ladies, let's come on. So that's where we at this point. Okay. You know, a lot of people are seeing their sales drop and they're not understanding why, or they're wondering why certain things aren't moving the needle for them. And I'm going to tell you why things got harder for you. It got harder for you because of Chat GPT. Long gone are the days where you can just say or tell somebody how to do something when they can just go in Chat GPT and ask and get that information for free. And the consumers are aware of this and they know this. The consumers are smarter. Not only that, our society is moving in a more of a direction of what does the product do for them, not necessarily what it tells them to do or instructs them. It's like, what do the product do? So you need to be thinking in those types of terms. Now, here's what I see selling. Okay. I'm going to list some off because I've been doing some research. I have an agentic agent that goes out every morning, scrapes the net, all the places, hear the comments and everything, and bring me back that intel. Okay. So I am up on game on what's out here on these streets. And if you want to stay on top of things, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get all the juicy information before everybody else. Now, thing number one. Products need to do something, okay, period. That's the big shift. Products need to do something. People want stuff to be taken off their plate. You got to think about this like relieving them of stress, not making them do more work. And that's how you got to think of your product. So we talking about Notion templates, Notion boards, organization systems, things that's really trackers that can calculate for people. And we're talking about specific. We want it so specific that when they open it up, they don't even have to really customize it. It's ready because it has all the pieces to the puzzle that they need. Okay. Plug and go. People want stuff like that. That's what's selling. And it's selling in the range of $27 to $97 out on the net. Number two, niche, hyper niche, specific tools and templates. And we're talking about social media calendars for a holistic health person who batches once a month type of thing. Like it needs to be that hyper specific. Now, this can be confusing to some people because some people is like, well, I sell digital products, but my business is this. No, we're not talking about your business. We're not talking about the niche of your business. We're talking about the specific niche of the product. Okay. Your business can sell any product, but the product that you sell needs to be specific, not necessarily your business. We're not telling you to niche down your business, but I am telling you to niche down your product. Okay. So take that, for example, that regular social media calendars is no good no more. Trick no good. You need to come specific. You need to come correct with that. And also that's where it's moving. And those products are selling right here, $17 to $47 on average, sometimes higher if the niche, if the profession is higher, more of a high stake. Also, number three, AI prompts, no more. We are gone from the AI prompts. I mean, of course, prompt engineering is going to stay very relevant and important because we're moving into the era of agentic. Agentic work with skills. Skills do things for the user. So skills teach AI to do things to give us a specific output for the user. Now, skill packs are becoming the thing, not AI prompt packs. products. Okay. So that's something you need to look into as well. And those are selling anywhere between, you talking from free. Some people are giving them away for free as lead magnets. So you're running from free all the way up to, depends on about $197. Depends on how big the operating system is. So you have to think of these skills as just one task. But if you have a whole department or a lot of different things moving in your business and you want AI to do those for you, yeah, you're looking at a whole AI team of employees. Okay. So that's something different. And I have a whole video about that too, on how I made my AI chief of staff. Now, number 4 is the workshops, recordings on demand, and the mini trainings. Those are super good. People are getting rid of courses, okay? That's not it. Not 6-module evergreen programs. Short things are the thing now, okay? We talking about 45-minute workshops, one specific skill, 90 minutes, those type of things. They're the hot ones, okay? And they're selling anywhere between $27 and $297. So that's what those are selling for. And it depends. It can go up from there. Just depends on if it's one-on-one, if you're doing some one-on-one coaching or something like that. Number 5, editable documents. Now, it's been known that they like to fill it in online. Okay. They like to fill it in, fillable documents. That's been a thing. SOP packs is a thing for like onboarding. Some people need client onboarding and stuff where they want the documents ready, the proposal templates and things of that nature. So those come into play. Those can run from anywhere from low ticket to mid ticket. It depends too how many they need. We can get into high ticket if they really need a bundle. I want you to sit with something for a second. Everything that I described right now and broke down to you on what I saw selling or what my AI saw and brought back to me selling in the digital product realm and what's on trend all has to do with you needing to know something in order to stand out, in order to make the sale, because you can't generate generic stuff no more. They can just go to AI. They can just go to ChatGPT or Claude themselves and get the answer to that. Okay. So that is gone. But if you know something and you have the experience with it, that is going to be your advantage and that's going to be your edge moving into 2026 and beyond. Well, the creators that are winning in this market right now aren't the ones that's making the prettiest, fanciest looking PDF or template. It's those individuals who are actually creating products that are so specific that the end user feels like it was made just for them. And that is something that AI can never replace. Authenticity. So on the up and up, we know that the old model is dead. Static is dead. People can go to AI now. We know this. People are looking for functional tools. They want things to do things for them, not them do more work. And they're looking for things that were built by people who are genuinely in their field. Okay, that's what they're looking for. The market is growing and it's wide open for that kind of content. So if you want to go deeper on this though, you can come hang out with me in my builders community. It's my free community. The link is in the description below. That's where I drop all my resources, templates, and things I don't get to share on my YouTube videos. So come check it out. The link's below. And if this video was useful, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps more people find this content. So I appreciate you and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.